Hey, it's Hoz here with a brand new Ask Hoz session, and in today's session I'm going to answer the intrepid question: can a person be successful at Amazon FBA and make money? Okay, well, the answer, fortunately, is yes, of course. Now, I will post a link to a blog that I wrote on how to make money on Amazon using Amazon FBA. I'll put that in the description so you can go. It's a step-by-step guide. So I'm an Amazon seller, and yes, the model works. And when you go through my step-by-step guide, you'll see I throw everything in there and I show you exactly how this works. But yeah, there are people making a staggering amount of money on Amazon. Amazon is churning out millionaires all the time, and a lot of them are independent sellers, private label sellers as they're called. Now here's the thing, and this is important: don't skimp on education, because that is the key. Somebody who goes at this and looks at YouTube videos for a bit of free information, how to do this and how to do that, is very, very unlikely to get anywhere anytime soon. Go to the best. Go to people who have a model, who have a plan, who have a blueprint, who have proven that they can make a lot of money doing whatever it is that you want to do. In this case, Amazon FBA. And buy that plan. And yes, it's going to cost money, but it's an investment. It's not lost money. You're getting their education. You're getting a massive shortcut, which is going to save you a lot of money. In many occasions, it's going to save you more money than the cost of the investment, with mistakes, with stress, and it's going to stop you from giving up. When you go through my step-by-step guide, you'll also see that I mention tools. Tools are the make or break. Without tools, you don't know where you are. It's like flying a plane without any tools on your dashboard. Tools are there to make things easier for you, and more importantly, to automate stuff. And that's how you grow. That's how you scale your business. So in the guide, I show you the tools that I use, that I recommend. And those are tools for managing your pay-per-click, which is crucial in Amazon FBA, and so on. But to answer your question, yes, a single person, can be successful at Amazon FBA and make a lot of money. This is not something that only big corporates can do, or big companies or big groups of people, not at all. In fact, I would say that most private sellers are individuals. Now, of course, not all of them are crushing it, but not all of them invested in the right education. And I come across other Amazon sellers online all the time who are making enough to pay all their bills and have a little bit of pocket change, which removes a huge financial strain. Knowing that your bills are paid at the end of the month is the start of something really good. Okay, so that should answer your question. That's going to wrap it up for this episode. I hope you subscribe to this channel. It will be a win-win, of course, and I shall see you in the next episode.